Joy. I said Doritos Locos Tacos. There's no Doritos or Locos in these tacos. Need me to write it down for you? Later.
See you around, Hank.
See ya.
Kid, are you gonna keep standing there blocking my son? Or do you have something to say?
Sorry, let me get my notes.
Holy, 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 you are worthless without my glory. Holy, 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 you're born broken, so say you're sorry.
And by chance I can catch just a glance of her hidden tattoo. Oh God, what do I do?
And honestly, like, sometimes I feel like my soul is black. I mean, I feel like I really get the black experience, you know?
The dietary dominatrix over here. It's un-American to not eat meat. She's got me getting all this for her. I have to do everything in this house.
You pick up the pieces, continue to try, and if it still helps, well, go